Yeah.
I have to yell at you now.
See, I told
Ow!
Do it.
Do it.
Okay, are you ready?
Alright.
you. Oh my
1,
god.
2.
I don't
Mike,
wanna.
no!
Mike,
You missed it. I just
No,
smashed my
Mark,
face
Yeah,
off the
I
wall.
can't
Do
see
it.
already.
It won't be much.
Do
Right
it.
back.
I'll do it.
Closer.
I'll do it again.
Good. Go, 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 go.
That's not fun at all.
Mike, you missed it. Brandon did it to me, and I smashed my face off this wall.
Yeah, now I kind of can't see.
Brandon, gotta do it to me.
Look at.
Do it to me again. Do it to me
Yo,
again.
don't do too much. If he has to drive somewhere later.
Like,
He's gonna see the
That
road.
looks so.
like, pay attention to me. Let's see it. Can you?
Oh! Stop it! I covered my eyes.
Come and do it to me.
Like,
Oh god, I feel heat. I need to sit down. I can't see
Can
much.
I?
Look at it.
Can you do it to me?
it was so warm. It hurt.
Can you do it to me? Again?
Where'd Mike go?
I can barely see
Can
you.
you do it to me
Brandon,
again?
do it again.
I can still see your hands.
Kate,
Everything
come
else
and
is
do it
dark.
to me again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Brandon,
What?
give me the fucking flash.
Oh yeah, she has a flash.
What is it? Waffles and French fries.
Ah!
That's kind of neat.
What the hell was
Not
that?
good.
Big strobe.
Oh yeah, here we go. Hold on, let me cover my one eye. I blinked. Okay, hold on. Don't hold it that close, because it makes my eyes tingle.
Okay.
Ah!
So Amanda, you haven't been flashed yet.
I don't want to be flashed.
You want me to flash you? I really can't see right now.